Hello everyone, this is STEMROBO's Tinker and Design Kit, which is AR enabled. You can scan the stencils provided inside this kit through STEMROBO AR app. So let's scan the stencils and see the magic. So these are the stencils which we need to scan through our app. So this is our Tinker and Design UI you can see. First of all, you have to click the button in order to scan the object. So this is our cycle stencils. As you can see, a 3D object of cycle is visible through our AR app. You can rotate using 2 fingers. Also, you can move the cycle with the help of any one finger. So you can see this is a butterfly 3D object. It's flapping its wing. This is carousel 3D object. Did you enjoy it? Let your kids explore the augmented reality feature through our STEMROBO AR app. Thank you.